Wind's calm. Clear. Wheels on the floor. And rotate. Good lift off the tail. Tap the brakes. Berlin traffic, Cessna 844 turning left crosswind heading to the south, Berlin. Keep your eyes out for traffic. Right above us.
That was such a much more smooth takeoff than
The last time?
Yeah. And because of the winds?
Yeah.
Crazy. Well, I was also in the back seat. So that probably
Yeah, you're gonna feel it more.
Yeah. Close to 3.
No, we're at 27. I just need to get the 3 for clearance. I like to go to 3.5, but once you can see over the mountains, you're above it, okay?
Okay.
Plus, it'll be a little less bumpy if we go over a little bit higher, you know?
Yeah.
Because we're going to be flying over Mobile. It takes some pictures too. When we get over, it'll be better scenery.
So where are we at right now?
We're over Redlands. Over the 10 view right now.
Oh, that's a 10. Oh, there's the Redlands Country Club and that golf course right there.
Yeah. See it, Middle Valley, that way, there's a lake. Keep looking for planes. Yeah,
That's so awesome, the hills, man.
Yeah. You taking pictures?
Yeah, I took some pictures.
Yeah, we can see, right? I mean, it's a little hazy, but you can see.
Yeah, you can still see. But now we're over 3.
Yeah, we're at 3,300, climbing at 35.
Now we're up over.
Yeah, like you can see over, right?
Yeah. Lake over there.
Yeah. This way's pretty cool too, that's nice.
I like those colors on the mountain.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Keep looking for, I like to look out for planes, especially in this haze.
And you can see more out of this plane too, because the windows and stuff are not scratched up. That's the other one. It's like Paris.
No, this is Mobile, that's Alessandro right here.
Oh, Alessandro. Paris is over that way.
This is our practice area. See how it's all clear?
Yeah.
See, we're over the mountains, or this little, called the Badlands, that's where it gets a little choppy.
They're putting a big house right there. Good Lord. And this was better because the wings are up.
No, not necessarily.
Down, right?
Yeah, you can see down more,
That's
yeah.
what I'm
The other
saying.
one you can't see. We
Yeah.
wouldn't be able to see right now.
Right.
So right now, Serge, this is our frequency for the airport, 123.05. This is the knob to turn the big one. Right, when you're turning to standby, so emergency would be 121.5. Then you hit the button to make a call, but that's just, I like to brief you on that, okay?
Okay. 121.5?
Yeah, but we're not gonna do it.
Copy traffic.
See, we're on a frequency that shares 3 airports.
Entering on a phase for a banner drop between the two fives. Compton.
That looks cool.
Copy traffic. Enter to 925 is on a final, extended final, 25 banner.
That looks good.
Tow 902 Papa is on final. Beam the courthouse. We're banner dropping between the parallel runways. 25, copy.
How's it feel for you up here?
That's alright, it's good, yeah. It was smoother than with Mo.
Yeah?
Except on the way back it wasn't too bad.
Where did you guys go? You guys went around this way too,
We
right?
went to Penn Valley, yeah. Over there.
Where?
Bit ahead. To the left a little bit. Keep an eye out for planes too.
How high do you think those clouds are?
They're about 1,000 feet above us.
Yeah.
Yeah. If they get any lower, we'll have to head back, right?
Alright. Did we put off a beam too?
Yeah.
So
there's a plane taking off right now. Tim? No. You don't see him?
Still see him?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him. Still above him, man.
Yeah. He's going that way.
How long do you think it takes them to climb 3,000 feet to go over those?
He's probably going to go over the water. Right there, you see him?
Yep.
Over traffic, Cap 499, that's call 20, over.
They always go that like softly.
What's that?
When you hear people talking over that, do they always go that soft? Because I couldn't hear it.
Yeah, it's Compton is traffic too.
Now he's right at where we're at.
Over traffic, Cap 499, parking.
Right there, see him?
Yeah, I see him.
Last call, folks.
Head up there pretty quick.
Yeah.
This is Lake Elsinore.
No, it's not.
No?
That's Diamond Valley Lake.
That's the first time I've seen another plane up. When we went last time, we didn't see any.
What's
We're
that?
not that close.
No. Starting to move in too much, huh? In the cloud?
There's still 1,000.
Yeah. Keep an eye out, right? There's planes around here.
One at 1 o'clock still.
You see him still?
Yeah. This thing is funny. You're doing your bets.
Yeah. Because it's connected to this.
You just put in the exact type of plane that we're in.
No, you don't need to put that.
No, it just everyone's has the same cycle.
Yeah. Let's take pictures here, Serge. That's fine. You still see him ahead of me? He's right there.
He's still in the one.
About 1 o'clock. We can't go that way, that's March.
Large airspace.
Yeah. Be on the lookout, there's a private airport coming up.
That looks like 500 feet.
ahead.
But, where do you see him?
Hold on. Here's the head to the right.
The same person?
No.
The other one, I don't even see. So last time we flew, we were asking for a lot of permission to be at certain altitudes.
Yeah. Well, we were on a flight following. So there's a guy 2.4 miles to the right. Oh, still good to be in that airspace too. 3,900. There's Lake Elsinore.
Is that it?
Yep.
Cessna 23676, contact SoCal 134.0.
That's him right there. Somebody's talking to him.
Verify that's Paris 1 calling March approach.
You're saying he's getting too close to March?
Paris 1, roger, got traffic south of your position, 3 miles northwest bound, Cessna 3000.
That's us.
That's us right there.
0903 November, March approach, altimeter 3009. November, roger. Stand by for fix and change. And Paris 1, traffic's no factor, we just continue on about 180 heading. Paris 1, contact SoCal safe. Or, I'm sorry, fix change group. November, information, Alpha current, and you can contact March Tower at this time too.
Control Cessna 5484. It's currently 12 miles to the south with request.
Ground calling March approach. Say again, call sign and request, please.
Call sign is 54844. We're currently 12 miles to the south. We're just going to do some scenic flying around here. Is there a way we can just get some traffic advisories?
54844, affirmative. Reset transponder squawk 0140, March altimeter 3009.
0140. Thank you, sir. Cessna 5484. So he's tracking us now. So we're good.
So this is the 15 or the 215?
What's that?
This the 15 or the 215?
That's a 15 right here.
Let's see where all these fucking people are talking about.
Get some good pictures,
How
yeah?
close are we to those things?
It's coming up here.
Cessna 54844, radar contact, 10 miles northwest of French Valley. Are you going to be flying around the vicinity of Lake Elsinore?
Yes, sir. Just north of the lake, just looking at the poppies.
844, roger. Maintain V5.
Maintain VFR, Cessna 844. Thank you. Is that everybody right there?
Where? Yeah, I can't see them. I'm sure we can see like everybody like pulled over.
Yeah. Oh, that's coming up right there, right?
Yeah, it's gotta be it. Oh my god.
Background calling March approach, taking a call sign.
I'm legal, I'm over 1,000, I'm 1,300 over the ground, so I can go a little bit lower. So I want to have some safety, alright? So we got lucky with the...
3067 Romeo, March approach, good afternoon, altimeter 3009, squawk 0143.
Is that it right here?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, all that right there on the...
Yeah.
All these people are waiting to go
radar contact loss.
see
You're going to be
this
too
shit.
low for my radar
Can't
coverage
believe it.
in your position. I suggest you contact SoCal on 134.0 for a flight following.
I'll copy that. We're about to head back through your airspace, so I'm going to turn around pretty soon. Cessna 844.
Disregard. Arrow 67 Romeo, radar contact, 15 miles east of March at 40,000.
Right there, fool, right? Take care, take all those pictures. Take video too. Make sure you send some of that shit to me.
Go ahead, Tits.
Cessna 844 traffic, 12 o'clock, 3 miles southwest bound, type of unknown, indicates 3,100.
Looking for the traffic. Thank you, sir.
Oh, that's good stuff. Real nice.
You ready? I'm going to turn around.
Okay.
Let me know if you can get it. You got it?
I got it.
Got a little bumpy on there.
Oh man, that was cool.
You get it?
Yeah.
Good pictures or what?
Yeah, I'm getting pictures.
Cessna 844, radar contact loss at this time. Report when turning back into my airspace. Stop.
Copy that. We're turning now towards back to your airspace. 844. Oh, that was good, huh? How about on this side, Serge?
Arrow 67 Romeo, radar contact loss.
Right there, take it. You got a clear shot? Nice.
I got better shots when we were
Oh, really?
over. Yeah. We were a lot closer.
Cessna 844 ident. on Marsh approach, altimeter 3009, contact SoCal. Cessna 844 radar contact, 13 miles southwest of March at 3100. Aero 67 Romeo, verify 8 miles east of March at 4600 westbound.
Not too bad now?
67 Romeo, radar contact.
That thing looks pretty tight too.
Going the way we came back to get a little bit more flight time.
Fine.
Bye. Bye.
Aero 67 Romeo, be advised, Paris jumps on active. You can remain clear, please. Thank you.
Right there. See him?
I do.
He didn't tell me, but it's alright.
Romeo, are you turning southbound?
That'd be cool to have a house right there. You take your boat, go out to the freaking lake. That's awesome.
Have you been there? Like elsewhere?
No, I'm sure I have as a kid, but not as an adult.
Right over here.
What?
French Valley's over here.
The golf course?
The golf course and the airport.
send this video to Mo?
I gotta edit it. I have a lot to edit, but the last one that me and Mo did, it didn't come out that good. Like the camera was all angled, we're in a rush, and then...
Papa Lima and left crosswind, Captain.
Redlands Airport. Automated advisory. Wind 320 at 8. Altimeter 3008. For runway, listen for traffic.
When we get into Redlands airspace, then we automatically get that?
No, I have to click on it.
Oh, gotcha. Was it 3 clicks?
Yeah.
We send this video of us flying to Mo. Mo, you better watch the whole thing. Beginning to the end.
Alright, no more talking. I gotta start. Further traffic, Cessna Skyhawk 544 is currently 4 miles to the south. We enter the crosswind for only 26 Redlands at 3000 ascending.
Redlands traffic, Skyhawk 4 Delta Tango, turning final 26, touch and go, Redlands.
Please touch and go. You see him? Alright, check the list. Gas, it's undercarriage, we got mixture full, prop we're set, seatbelts you're good?
Seatbelt's good.
Alright.
Seats are locked.
Upright tables, your seating position?
Copy that.
I don't see him. There he is, I see him, you see him? Southern traffic Cessna 8-4, we're crossing midfield. Alright, 26 Redlands.
Redlands Airport. Automated advisory. Wind 320 at 4. Altimeter 3009. For runway, listen for traffic.
Redlands traffic, Skyhawk 4 Delta Tango, upwind 26, departing eastbound, westbound, sorry, Redlands.
I see him, he's leaving.
Redlands Airport. Automated advisory. Wind variable from 250 through 310 at 4. Altimeter 3009. For runway, listen for traffic.
Cessna Delta Tango, are you aware that we are right-hand traffic here in Redlands Airport?
Further traffic, Cessna 8-4, crossing midfield from like 26 Redlands.
The Cessna that just did a touch and go, we are right-hand traffic here in Redlands.
Yeah, I just saw him depart the area.
Got it, thank you.
Alright, we're good. Landing lights. Further traffic, Cessna 8-4, turning base from like 26 Redlands. traffic 844, turning final for runway 26 Redlands. No wind. Redlands traffic 844, clear of the active runway 26 Redlands.
I was going to do high-speed taxiway down high-speed taxi down runway 26.